With the 2026 ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships now just a month away, two schools, Kingston College and Immaculate Conception High, will have added motivation heading into the 5-day event after celebrating their triumph at the Corporate Era High Schools Athletics Championships at the weekend. Jeremy Brown reports.
Defending champions Kingston College retained the boys' title, amassing a massive 519 points. They won ahead of Jamaica College 475, Calabar 283, Wolmer's boys 157.5, and Excelsior High 140 points, rounding out the top 5 schools. It was a first title for Richard Smith as head coach of Kingston College, and he says it was a good measuring stick for the ISA Boys and Girls Championships to come in March.
We started out good, and one of our main aim was basically to get the boys them to the finals. So when we see that and realize that everything was going our way, we started to capitalize on it and moving forward. The boys are really excited and really wanted a challenge from Jamaica College in terms of pushing them and moving forward and getting prepared for the Boys and Girls Championship.
On the girls' side, Immaculate Conception High totaled an impressive 402 points to win their maiden title. They were followed by outgoing champions Excelsior with a 288, Convent of Mercy Alpha Academy 278.33, Women's Girls 220.5, and the Queen's School 134 points. Head coach of Immaculate, Franz Ford, was emotional after the Constant Spring Road-based school copped its first ever title.
Last year we barely missed out on the title. It wasn't our time, and we just had to take our time, went back to the drawing board. As coaches, we sat down, we went through everything. As I said, I have a very strong coaching staff. We sat down and we went through it, and we went through every single event, from the heaviest to the technical, to the sprints, to the overall excitement of everything. I'm just emotional right now.
Meanwhile, at least 4 records were broken on Saturday's second and final day, including Jamaica College speeding to a new mark of 39.78 seconds to win the Class 1 boys 4x100 meter final. They won ahead of Kingston College 40.07 and Excelsior 40.66. Immaculate Conception High also broke the Class 1 girls 4x100 meter record, clocking a new mark of 45.48 to win ahead of Excelsior